Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see coconut chutney, but this coconut chutney we are going to do without a mixer grinder. That is, we are going to use this traditional grinding stone. So the ingredients which are required for this chutney are coconut chunks, salt as per taste, garlic, chili, mint leaves and cumin seeds. So let's begin now. So first of all we are going to add coconut chunks. So the food in the olden days, why it was so tastier and yummier, because they never used to use all these machineries to cook food. All the natural and possible ways were used to cook food, so the food used to be tasty and yummy. So now we have added the coconuts. Now slowly we will put some pressure and then blend these coconuts till they become a little small. Then later we will add the other ingredients. So now slowly we are going to just blend this. So as you can see now, it's become a little bit smaller in size. So now the next step is we are going to add the other ingredients. So here we are adding the other ingredients. Salt you add as per the taste. Check if it is less, then you can add later, but don't add more because we cannot reduce it then later. Follow the same process and blend all the ingredients again. Blend, blend, blend. So all the ingredients are now mixed well, and our delicious coconut dry chutney is ready without the mixer grinder. So now just let's take it out. So delicious chutney is being served in the coconut shell itself. If you liked the video, do let us know. Do try the recipe. To subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.